So here is our DHT11 sensor. So this yellow is the signal, orange is the 3.3 volt and green is the ground. So here I have connected it to pin 4. So this is the yellow signal. Middle one is VCC, which is 3.3 volt, and this green one is ground. So you can see from here also the marking signal, voltage and ground. So that's what I have connected it here. So let's just see in the code. So this is our code, so let me just run it. So here we have attached it to pin 4, and we are reading the temperature and humidity into separate variables and displaying the same. So the current temperature it's showing as 35 and 32 humidity. So let me just blow some air into that sensor and see if it changes. So as you can see, the temperature is still the same, the body temperature, but the humidity has risen it to 92%.